I found the perfect chatbot, fully open source, 100% free. In this template made by the legendary creator of Shadcn himself, we have pretty much everything that we need from one chatbot application, and it can be easily integrated into any app. If you missed it, in June 2026, Shadcn shipped components for chat interfaces, and as expected, it has a perfect UI and UX. All these components are now used inside of this template. In order to set this one up locally, everything you need to do is just to go to this chatbot template repo by Shadcn. I'm going to leave you the link in the description below, so make sure to put a star there. So you clone this repo, put in your Vercel AI Gateway API key, and you are good to go. You can talk to AI here locally in this chatbot. Let's test it out. Let's plan a dinner with our chatbot. We have here thinking, that's the first animated component from Shadcn, and we have here streaming, so there is also streaming inside of this chatbot. And now we have a new Shadcn component called Questionnaire. I really love this component. I'm going to show you now why. So first, what style of cuisine or vibe are you going for? We're going to choose here Italian, for example. Then we are going next, and if we click previous, we can see that we still have Italian here, our first answer selected in our first question. That's attention to detail that I'm always telling you about Shadcn, king of UI UX. Then any dietary restrictions, none. How many people, 2 to 4, and how much effort time they want to spend cooking, we can say moderate. Also, check out, there is also a feature in Questionnaire input that we can just manually type in whatever we want. It's really awesome. And when we answer now, we can see the format, how we are sending it to AI. This is brilliant. I really love it. And check out now. So we are getting our result from AI for a birthday dinner menu, and it is not pushing us down while it is rendering our result. That's really genius move by Shadcn. Usually you would get pushed down and then you scroll back up because you want to read your actual results. But here you're staying here, you can just call me read, and you can scroll whenever you want, or just click this arrow right here to go to the bottom of your AI result. And if you're wondering why would you use something like this, it's not to chat inside of your browser locally, it's to use this repo as a reference when you're building your own AI chatbot application. So you go here, you tell to your AI agent, I want a chatbot, and use this as a reference, and you have everything built by Shadcn. Totally flexible, you own the code, and you can change whatever you want. Just copy the link to this GitHub repo, go to your AI agent, you can use Claude Code, you can use Codex, Grok Build, whatever you are using. In this case, I'm using Claude Code. Paste in that repo and tell to your AI agent. Use this chatbot repo as a reference to create an AI chat in our project. We'll use Shadcn chat components. And now I'll probably have to fix the Shadcn. Yeah, it's always saying Shadcn. I have to fix that one. And now your AI agent is going to create a whole thing. AI agent is going to reference this GitHub repo right here, and you're going to get this exactly the same UI inside of your project. And not only that, but you can also extend it and add any Shadcn component that you want. We have here full circle of features inside of this chatbot. If I refresh here, we can see that we can even choose our own model. So all these components are coming from new Shadcn chat components. So we can, for example, choose GPT 5.6 Tera, and we can tell me a story, click here, and we can see also that the streaming is working, so everything is pretty much working inside of this chatbot. We are getting so many things from Shadcn chat components right here. For example, we also have attachments, so we can generate images inside of our chatbot as well, and there are so many things. Everything is working with base UI, React Aria, Redux UI, and of course light mode, dark mode in all resolutions, so everything is ready for you and working. You just need to fork this repo and use it inside of your project. Do yourself a favor and start using Shadcn. It's literally become the UI language of AI. And if you want to stay up to date with everything happening in the Shadcn ecosystem, make sure to subscribe. I'll keep covering all the Shadcn updates and sharing useful Shadcn resources just like this one.